To download Dungeon Tycoon on a PC or laptop, the first step is to download Steam, an app that allows users to buy, download, install, and play games. This can be done by going to Google and searching for Steam, which should lead to the website store.steampowered.com. From there, click Install Steam at the top of the page. Select the platform being used, and then click Install Steam again. The Steam setup will then be downloaded to the computer. Opening the Steam setup will launch a program that guides the user through the installation process. The user will be prompted to select their language. Choose a destination folder for the installation, and then click Install to begin the installation process. Once Steam is installed, the user can open the app and either log in to an existing account or create a new one. After logging in, the user will be taken to the Steam store, where they can search for Dungeon Tycoon in the search box. The game should appear in the search results, and the user can click on it to view the different editions available. The user can then select the edition they want, click Add to Cart, and proceed to the checkout process. During checkout, the user will be prompted to select a payment method and complete the purchase. Once the game is bought, it will be added to the user's Steam library, which can be accessed by clicking on the Library tab at the top of the page. From there, the user can select the game and click the Install button to begin the download and installation process. The user will be asked to choose a location for the game to be installed and whether to create a desktop or start menu shortcut. Once the installation is complete, the user will receive a notification from Steam, and the game will be ready to play. The user can then click the Play button to launch the game and start playing.